Hello, my name is Gavin, and in this fast path episode, I'll show you one path of using Vlookup in any order. So for this example, what I have is I want it to use the labels, but the issue is for my key, I have it on the right. This is just an example. I can obviously easily just move it over to the left, but let's say you got something a bit more complicated than this and you might not want to screw around with some data. Anyways, we'll just do the normal Vlookup, get our value on the left here. I'll lock the column because I also want to use title. And then for the table array, we're going to do something a little different. So instead of the normal table, we'll do choose, do a curly bracket 1 and 2, a comma in between, and then we'll do a comma to get our first value, being these labels. So this will act as a fake table where even though this is on the far right, it acts as column 1 being the left. And then we'll take the definition, we'll make that column 2. And then we'll close that off and tell it to use 2 from choose. And then we'll set this to false. What happened? Oh yeah. Okay. And then I'll close that. It gets that value. I got all those values right there. Easy enough. And then we want something for title. Whoops. Control R to just copy the right. And then we can simply just do F2. Move that one over and we got our title right there. And that is one easy way of using Vlookup in any way you want. If you like this episode of Fast Path, please like, comment, and subscribe. I'd love to hear feedback on this episode as well as suggestions for future content. Besides that, continue learning and have a nice day.